Hello and welcome to another iSaham video tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how you can purchase shares using odd lots. What are odd lots? Odd lots is when you're purchasing shares not in lots but in single units. Let's move on by logging in. Okay, now that we've logged in, all we have to do is just search for the share that we want to purchase using odd lots. I'm going to click on the far right search box and type in Velesto. Then I'm going to click on Velesto until it's highlighted and click on stocks and go all the way to odd lot info. Over here we're able to see the best buy price and the best sell price for odd lots for Velesto. After that I can go to buy, click on normal order. Now since the best sell is at 0.565, I'm just going to click on 1 unit. And the price of 0.565. After that, I'll just click send now and put in my password to confirm everything. Okay, check everything. Make sure that you're only buying 1 unit. Yep, 1 unit. Okay, 0.57 cents. And click confirm. After putting up your order, how do you know whether or not your order has matched with anyone? Well, you can always check at order status over here. Click on that, and as you can see, Velesto has already matched with a seller. However, our Heng Yuan has not matched with anyone, so what we're going to have to do here is click on that until it's highlighted and modify order. And before this, I've already checked the odd lot price for Heng Yuan, which is 7.86. After which I'm going to click OK, put in my trading pin once again. And as you can see, it's now all matched. I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching and happy trading.